This video really hurts. It looks like I may need to replace my favorite credit card, the Alliant Visa Signature Card. For years, it's been my go-to for simple, unbeatable cash back. But with changes on the horizon, it may no longer be the best option moving forward for me. So today, we're going to be taking a look at the best all-purpose cashback cards available right now and see which ones are ready to step up and take its place. I am so happy to have you here with me today. Let's get started. Now let's start with the benchmark card, the Alliant Visa Signature Card. Now for a long time, this card has held a special place as the go-to cashback card for me, offering a flat 2.5% back on every purchase, capped at $10,000 in spending per month, but it has no annual fee. Now to qualify for that top rate, you needed to meet certain account requirements, but nevertheless, it is still one of the most rewarding all-purpose cashback cards available. But they are changing, and while nothing has been formally announced yet by Alliant, there are strong indications that the rewards rate may be reduced in the near future. And on top of that, as I spoke about in prior videos, no new applications are being accepted, so while existing cardholders may still get value for now, it's no longer a realistic option for new users. And that's why it makes sense for us to look at some of the alternatives. To kick things off, let's start with one of the simplest replacements for the Alliant card, the Wells Fargo Active Cash Card. Now this card offers a 2% back rate on every purchase, a $0 annual fee, and a $200 welcome bonus after spending $500 in your first 3 months. It also offers a 0% intro APR for 12 months on purchases and qualifying balance transfers. Now, what makes this card special is the fact that it's straightforward, it's dependable, and it's simple. And with 2% cash back on everything, plus a solid welcome offer and intro APR, it's one of the easiest direct replacements for the Alliant card. Next up, if you'd like your cash back to work harder for you, the Fidelity Rewards Visa is worth a closer look. It offers a 2% back rate on every purchase, which is going to be automatically deposited into a corresponding Fidelity account. It offers a $0 annual fee and no foreign transaction fees. Now let's talk about what makes this card special. Now the value from this card comes from what happens with your rewards. By going straight into your Fidelity account, those dollars have the potential to grow over time through investing, creating outsized benefit compared to cashback that just sits idle. Now let's talk about a newer option that's been getting some attention, the Robinhood Gold Card. Now the rewards rate for this card is 3% back on every purchase, plus an understated 5% back on travel that's booked through Robinhood's travel portal. There's a $0 annual fee for this card. However, there is a membership requirement. You must be a Robinhood Gold member, and at the time of this recording, that costs $5 a month or $50 per year. So what makes this card special? Now, this is the richest flat rate card available, but there's more to it than just that 3%. Robinhood Gold members get up to a 3% IRA match. And uninvested cash earns 4% APY, which can be boosted to 5% if your Gold Card rewards are swept into a Robinhood brokerage account. Now this card is still on the wait list, so it may be a little bit tough to get your hands on, but for those of you who get it, the combination of rewards and investment perks makes it one of the most compelling new entries of 2025. Now finally, let's talk about the Crystal Visa from Farmers Insurance Federal Credit Union, the card that comes the closest to matching Alliant's legacy. The rewards rate for this card is 3% back on all purchases in year one. That then converts to 2.5% back on up to $10,000 in spending per month. After that $10,000, it will be 1% thereafter. Now this does have an annual fee, it's $99 per year, but it's waived in your first year. And it has a current welcome offer of $100 statement credit after $5,000 in spend after your first 3 months. Now it has a 0% intro APR for the first 6 months for this card as well. But you must be a Farmers Insurance Federal Credit Union member to be eligible. So let's talk about what makes this card special. The Crystal Visa delivers 2.5% flat cash back after your year one, with no transfer or account balance requirements like the Alliant card. And in year one, the 3% cash back rate combined with the welcome offer and the intro APR makes it one of the best opportunities for outsized value, especially for those who want a high-rate, all-purpose card without any added complexity. And that's going to do it for today's video. The Alliant Visa Signature Card may no longer be the unbeatable option it once was, but now you've seen the top alternatives for 2025 and how they measure up. My hope is that this gives you a full picture and helps you to make a more informed decision about which all-purpose cashback card might be right for you. Now, if you found this video helpful, please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click that notification bell so that you don't miss out on the next one. And while you're doing that, why don't you share this video with anyone considering a new cashback card, and leave a comment below with your questions or to share your own experiences with these cards or any other cashback card that may be in your wallet. I want to thank you so much for watching, and as always, I want to encourage you to dream big, to live well, and to do great things. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.